Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday to IRS jail. I'm kidding, of course, with that excess of jail, but IRS horror stories that could have been avoided. I've had several clients, unfortunately, come to me when things are just too late and we have to get them out of this mess. Most often, it happens with foreign taxpayers that have some sort of US compliance requirement and or gifting reporting requirement. One client came to me where they had a rental property in the United States and felt because it operated at a loss every single year and they were quote unquote losing money, they just didn't have to file a tax return. Unfortunately, especially for foreign individuals, you actually have to claim this as a business activity to be able to take the deduction and deem it tax-free. So we were looking at 6 years of unfiled tax returns. It was actually more, but based on the IRS guidance and statute, we only had to file 6 years, but still that was a lot of work and a lot of potential exposure to penalties. We're still working on that case. We're going to see how that ultimately ends up, but it's such a mess that they get themselves into that could have easily been avoided had they asked the right questions and worked with the proper tax advisor. If you want to avoid a Jet 2 holiday directly to IRS jail, it shouldn't be that bad. But if you want to avoid that Jet 2 holiday, make sure you speak to a qualified tax professional that is familiar with your specific issue so they can help you get out of whatever mess you may be in. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.